shop floor management and its management instruments.
Established in 1926, we at PAMA have made a strong name for ourselves throughout the world thanks to a combination of our tradition and the technological excellence of our products. At present, these are predominantly the Speed RAM, Speed Mat and Speed Center products. At PAMA, we have developed an integrated company structure, meaning we have considerable competence and expertise in the field. And our passion for developing outstanding products is proven through the continual quality control that is carried out at the various machining stages. This guarantees a high standard of precision and reliability. PAMA is an established supplier for the major sectors of the energy, heavy machinery and manufacturing, earth moving, machine tools, railway, aerospace, shipyard and large diesel engine industries.
More and more companies are acknowledging the necessity of shop floor management. The more complex a system is, the harder it is to receive the right and most significant information. Nevertheless, with the aim of achieving this, PAMA decided to introduce shop floor management. This is a system that presents key information in a structured form on a daily basis. This enables the right decisions to be made at the right time. This is manifested in an increase in efficiency, that is, productivity and improvements in the services to the customer. The successful implementation of shop floor management is based upon two prerequisites: the improvement of management behavior and the application of management instruments. The information center is located directly on the shop floor. Selected key data is reported there at regular intervals. The production log is a standardized timetable regulating the shop floor promises regarding the subjects of worker safety, quality, and productivity. The simple visualization of the key data enables deviations to be recognized and the introduction of countermeasures initiated. On the T-card board, the manager can see who has performed his shop floor tasks and at what time. The coaching concept means that managers receive individual on-site coaching in personal development on a daily basis. Let's take a look at the working day of the managers and their employees. At the beginning of the shift, the first meeting is held with the foreman and his assistants on the shop floor. At this meeting, the presence of the workers and their assignment to the necessary workplaces are discussed. The objective of this meeting is to ensure that a task or each task is assigned to a worker. After this, the foreman confirms the successful conclusion of the meeting by using a T card. The information from the shift start meetings is then promptly collated and reported in the morning meeting. These meetings are attended by the production manager, his foreman, and the necessary service providers, such as logistics, quality assurance, maintenance, and planning. After the attendance of participants has been checked, any workplace accidents of the previous day are discussed. Following this, a report is made of the worker assignment for that particular day. Next, a report is made of the target and actual production values of the previous day. Any possible deviations and their causes are queried by the production manager. The service providers contribute to the analysis and rectification of the causes. This time, the meeting carried out is confirmed by the production manager. During the course of the morning meeting, the production manager decides who to visit and which problems to address in the subsequent go and see. During this on-site visit, he will help expand the problem-solving expertise of the participants and will support the consistency of their implementation.
Two
fundamental things have changed in production with the introduction of shop floor management. On the one hand, we've seen an improvement in the organization as a whole, for example, my personal work plan and that of my foreman. On the other hand, shop floor management has enabled me to save a great deal of time, as it is now possible to forward information in a structured manner, and I am therefore able to concentrate increasingly on problem solving and process.
Per risolvere i problemi e contribuire a migliorare il processo.
Having robust processes with minimal errors requires daily attention. Here, the production manager, foreman and the necessary service providers meet the quality manager at the information center for a quality meeting. This is also moderated by the quality manager. He checks the attendance of the required participants and receives a report of the quality key data of the previous day from the foreman. After this, the status of the problem-solving processes for the top problems is discussed, with further support offered by the managers, as applicable. The working day of managers is set to change completely in future. Each manager will come up against his or her own individual limits. Because changes in management behavior are only possible with the help of feedback. Reflection from a coach is required. The coach accompanies the manager in their preparations and the implementation of meetings. In addition, the coach also reflects his impressions of the management behavior. With regard to quality, shop floor management has helped to take a further step forward. All significant problems from the previous day are visualized in the information center, quantified, and the problem solutions presented at the daily quality meeting, which is attended by the department leader and team leader from production, as well as those of the support processes. The major cultural change that we had to implement was the way we viewed problem solving. For example, the person responsible is responsible for his activities right up until the complete resolution of the problem. He must carry out a cause analysis, implement the selected solution, and guarantee sustainability. The successful implementation of shop floor management is based on two prerequisites: improvement of management behavior and the application of management instruments, and the ability to improve management behavior to such an extent that efficient problem solving by employees is possible. However, each manager will come up against his or her limits here, because changes in management behavior are only possible with the help of feedback. Reflection from outside is required. Staufen AG therefore accompanies managers in their personal development via individual on-site coaching. In collaboration with the coach, the coachee expands his lean knowledge and applies it in situ. His management behavior is based upon facts that he experiences on the shop floor and that are reported to him in the information center. In his capacity as mentor to his employees, the manager develops the problem-solving capability of his staff. The result is the creation of a go, see and help culture within the company.